Today I'll be reviewing both of these items. This one right here, it's an 18 karat gold plated Moissanite diamond necklace, and these are Moissanite Diamond Stud Earrings, and again these are also in the color rose gold, and they are 18 karat gold plated. These are sold separately, but I wanted to go ahead and review them together as they are the perfect pair for each other. Those are the stud earrings, and this one right here, this is the necklace. Take a look. Such beautiful design for both of these. I absolutely love that they both come in their own individual case. It just makes it look so elegant, so classy. Close it up. Check that out. Such a great presentation for these two. This one is the necklace, and this one right here, the smaller one, is for the earrings. Also included, this is the box that they come in. So you actually get two boxes, one for the necklace, one for the earrings. I'm going to go ahead and show you inside. There is a certification, so I'm going to open it up just to show you what that looks like, what to expect if you do order these. Again, they each individually are sold separately. However, they both come with their certification. So let me go ahead and open that up. It comes in an envelope like this. Inside, you do get a cloth to help you keep your jewelry nice and clean. You also get the certification created by GRA Lifetime Certification Warranty, and it has like its own unique ID. It kind of goes into depth what that is. This is the Moissanite report. It kind of just goes into giving you more in-depth information on what it is that they are testing for and how these are graded. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the necklace. I'm going to give you a close-up on the necklace. It is a twister rope style necklace. It is very nice and dainty. Also for the necklace, the clasp type, this is a lobster clasp. I'm going to give you a close-up on the necklace. This is what the back piece looks like. Check it out. This is the front piece. Such a beautiful design. These are the stud earrings. So I'm going to go ahead and try both the earrings and the necklace. Just to give you a quick glimpse, the earrings are like this, and you do have to twist off the earring in order to remove the back piece. So I went ahead and put both of them on. Here I have the necklace, such a beautiful dainty necklace. As you can see, it just looks so elegant. I also have the earrings on, very, very nice. Such a great pair, especially if you're trying to give this to somebody or if it's a special occasion. Overall, I would definitely recommend.